Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Well, another year is in the books. The Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators Group build is over. The first year, as you may recall, Luca C. chose the AMT 40 Ford Coupe Sedan or Sedan Delivery. And this past September, I had the honor of choosing one of my favorites, which was the Monogram or Revell 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner in 1/24 scale, or GTX. Well, that's behind us now, and it is my task to draw and see who is going to be choosing the kit for this September. So, let's get to it. Okay guys, before we get to the drawing, I want to take a few minutes and say thank you to the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators Builders Group. Guys, there's 87 members currently, and you guys, I think the world of you. You think about that, guys. There's 87 presences in whether it's YouTube or social media somewhere that are promoting the model car hobby, and I appreciate you guys. I truly do. And I want to give a personal thanks for the group deciding to extend the deadline for this build after my injury in December. I truly appreciate that, guys. I love you all for it. So thanks to everyone. And speaking of the USACC, if you have a YouTube channel or a social media presence that promotes model cars, model car building, whether it's a YouTube channel or Facebook page or Instagram, whatever it is, and you post regularly, you got to be an active member of the community. Please join us. We'd love to have you. But guys, this is really important. You have got to, and this is a must, answer all the questions when you apply. Please answer all the questions or you're going to be turned down. And attach a link to your channel or social media link. And be active at it, because if you don't answer the questions and you don't post the link, we can't verify. And so it's very important that you do that. So please do that. We would appreciate it. And guys, again, we would love to have you. Okay, now for the drawing, let me cover a few things. The names that are in here, and by the way, of the 87 people that are members of USACC, the best that we could come up with, there was about 41 that jumped in on this build, and there were so many more that are not members that just wanted to jump in because they wanted to build the Roadrunner along with us. And I think that's fantastic because I saw some awesome stuff. In fact, everybody had their own take on it, and it's just awesome. And guys, up front, whoever it is that is chosen, guys, pick a kit that is special to you, that has a special story. That's what we want, is something special. You know, the 40 Ford that Luca chose back year before last was something that was very special to him growing up and even today. And for me, I've always loved that 1970 Roadrunner, and that was just something special for me. And that's what we want it to be, something that is unique to you. It could be the first kit you ever built or your favorite car, like in my case. And we'll just run with it from there. But have a story for that car, why it's special for you. And we'll all try to put our own twist on it and have just a really good time with it. Also, you will be announcing this on September 1st, and we're going to ask, please, 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 whatever your choice is, do not reveal it to anyone, please, until the announcement date. And I'm pretty curious about this kind of stuff. So if I call and go, hey, man, what'd you choose? You know, no, you can't tell me. You can't tell Luca. You can't tell anybody. And let's face it, September 1st is 6 months away. So you could change your mind a time or two. So that gives you plenty of time to think about it before the announcement date on September 1. And we're just all going to have some fun with this thing. We really will. The other thing, well, as I mentioned, you have to be an active, which means posting, member of on your social media, as well as a member of the USACC, and have finished your 70 Roadrunner build, and you're in here. So we'll be drawing this. Let me grab Hobby Dudette, and we'll let her be drawing, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, I've got Hobby Dudette here. Say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
And we're wrapping it up here, so we're going to use our K-Dog graphics. And
hey, K-Dog.
Kitty. All right, there we go. All right, we're going to let her, that was all of them. We're going to let her draw out. And whoa, and I'm throwing a couple of them everywhere. There they yeah, that's it. All right, Amanda, draw one out and keep it on camera. Picking one, and I'll get the hat out of the way and publish the finding. Hurry, I'm all up. I'm uptight. I didn't fold them that.
Seriously.
Oh no, Matthew with Model Car Videos. So Matt, oh man, I was joking with him about that a few weeks back. All right, Matt, of all the people.
Congratulations, Matt. Have fun.
Congrats, Matt. You're going to get to choose. And as I said, make it something special to you. I got a feeling, well, as he put it, it can't be a 48 Ford because he owns them all. All right, Matthew, you the man. So we look forward to it, and I'll be in touch with you here very shortly. Take care, guys, and it'll be interesting to see what Matt comes up with this September.
Bye, guys.
Thank you, Amanda.
You're welcome.
All right. Well, that's it, guys, and we will see you in the next video. God bless, guys. See ya.